We understand numbers and arithmetic operations like addition or multiplication quite well. We can easily see their role and understand how to use them. But things become very different when we think about quantifier, such as the existential or universal quantifiers in mathematics. To many people, they seem counterintuitive. Often, we do not really understand why we need them at all, what mathematics would like without them, when they should be used, or what kind of things can or cannot be expressed without quantifiers. Connected to this are questions such as what is a bound variable, what is a free variable, how are they related to quantifiers, and how do we move from quantifiers in mathematics to quantifiers in programming languages like Haskell or PureScript or other programming languages. Let us start with a simple and intuitive description, beginning with the existential quantifier. In both mathematics and everyday life, we are sometimes interested not in the exact value of something, but simply in whether something is possible at all. For example, sometimes we are not interested in how much something costs. Instead, we want to know whether it is even possible to obtain that amount of money. Likewise, sometimes I do not want to know the exact distance to a place. I only want to know whether there is a road leading there or whether it is possible to reach it quickly by car. There is a difference between asking whether a place is 100 kilometers away and asking whether it is reachable by car. The same idea appears in mathematics. Sometimes I want to know the exact value that a function produces for a certain input, but sometimes I only want to know whether something is possible at all, whether there exists a number that has certain properties, that satisfies a condition, or whether a certain result can even be achieved. This idea of is it possible is expressed in mathematics by the existential quantifier. Sometimes I want to know exactly whether one number is greater or smaller than another. But at other times, I only want to know whether within a given set there exists a number that is greater than another, whether such a possibility exists at all. I am not interested in checking a particular number to see whether it has that property. I only want to know whether there exists some number with that property. Similarly, I may not be interested in finding the actual solution to an equation. I do not want to know whether what the number is. I only want to know whether the equation has a solution at all.